Let me put some of y'all men on game real quick. Go get a manicure. Go get your cuticle cleaned up. No woman wants a man with some dry, crusty, hard cuticles. Just imagine while your lady is all moist up, her skins are soft, and here come your alligator skin hand coming through their back, and you got callus, you got dry cuticle, finger all hard and everything, and you running through her back. She might not tell you that it's hurting her because she's being generous. But you know damn well them dry cuticle of yours is cutting up her back. Imagine you roll your finger down her booty. She's got to have some scratch ass booty with your dry ass cuticles. That's why it's important some of y'all men go get your cuticles cleaned up at the nail salon. If you go into the nail salon, it's not a girly thing. More women actually admire the fact that the man is trying to take care of them hands because them women don't want no dry, crusty hands rubbing on their body. They don't want to have scar tissue through your cuticles. That's for real, y'all. But if y'all don't want the massage part, then y'all can tell the nail tech to skip that. But at the end of the day, get them hands soft so the ladies can enjoy your touching, y'all.